Hi guys, I'm David and this is Jeanette. Together we are Low Range 4x4 Adventures. For the last few years we have been doing some epic trips to amazing locations across Australia. Subscribe and like our videos and hit the notification bell to join us on our adventures. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So we said we were making some modifications to the car, taking out some new stuff, taking out some old stuff and putting in some new stuff. So today we are going to start with taking off our Foxwing, which has been on the car for about 5 years. It's been really good. We've done, it was awesome when we went to the Simpson Desert. We used it a lot with the sides and things like that initially, but it was sort of the duck's nuts when we first got it, but it's time to upgrade now. So we're going to take that off, leave it in the shipping container here. And what are we getting, Dave?
We've got a Bushwakka True Blue awning. We formed a bit of a relationship with Bushwakka, and they've come to the party and helped us out with the costs on that, which is awesome. They're a great bunch of guys, really nice family, and it's again a 270-degree awning, but it's freestanding, so it doesn't need any poles, ropes in normal conditions. Obviously, if it's a bit windy or a bit windier, then you still got the option to chuck a couple of poles down and stick a couple of extra ropes on just to hold it in place. So you know, no awning's gonna handle gale force winds, but these freestanding awnings that all the guys are making today are unreal. The Bushwakka awning is also, I believe, the only fully Australian manufactured freestanding 270-degree awning currently as at this date. So we're really liking the fact that we're supporting a fully Australian made product as well, and working with them guys on that. So obviously, because of the time frame, we did order it I think a couple of weeks ago, but because we're rushing off, we'll have to get it freighted up to Cloncurry and fit it up there. So yeah. I think it's about a 6-week wait at the moment, but that's all good. Yep. All right. So I'll just whip this off now. It's pretty basic. Couple of brackets and the awning's off, and that's pretty much it. And then we'll do the install when we get the new awning. So these Foxwings, as I said, they're a good awning, and the brackets are nice and strong. Couple of 10mm bolts on the Pioneer platform, Rhino Rack Pioneer platform in each bracket. Holds them beautifully. This thing's been awesome. So
happy Sunday everyone. So as you know, we took off our Foxwing awning before we came up to Cloncurry, and we have eagerly been awaiting the arrival of our package from Bushwakka. So that came this week. we only sort of have the weekends off, so today we're going to install it.
Okay guys, so we received these couple of packages from Bushwakka this week. This is our 2 side walls in here and our Australian made True Blue 270 degree self-supporting awning with its couple of T-brackets for the Rhino Rack, so we can fit it on our Rhino Rack platform. So we've got 2 side walls. They zip onto the awning and then they velcro together, so you can put them anywhere on the awning because they fit every section of the awning, so you can fit them wherever you want them. We chose to get 2. You can get a full wall set. These are the T-brackets, which are designed for mounting the awning onto the Rhino Rack platforms. So very strong. Obviously they cover a fair bit of distance across the Rhino Rack, and the idea of that is to give a lot of strength to the Rhino Rack platform so it doesn't flex. So the standard awning does come with these brackets, which are the L brackets for mounting on other forms of roof racks or roof bar systems or whatever. So they come with those with all the hardware as well that you need. So we won't be using them because we've got the T brackets there. So okay, so I'm going to fit off the T brackets to the back of the awning, roughly in place but just a little bit loose. So I've just sorted out the bolts here. Basically you've got 4 bolts with nylock nuts and washers. These are used to put the brackets onto the back of the awning, and then you've got 4 of these well, nuts or whatever for a better term, which are designed for the Rhino Rack platforms with their associated bolts. Okay guys, so I'm just roughly lining up where things are going to go so I can get these brackets fitted off. Alright, you can let it go.
Sure.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Basically I've secured the T-brackets in the position I want them on the Rhino Rack, and they're tightened off now. So, and the actual T-brackets are still loose on the awning, so I can technically slide it backwards and forwards and work out exactly where it's going to go. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the back of the awning, have a look, just work out roughly where it needs to be by looking at the hinge, and then adjust it, and we'll open it up, do a test fit, and make sure it's right. Then we can nip up all the nuts and bolts and she'll be done. Together. So technically the idea of this is to swing straight around like so. We're going to have to come back further to get this straight. Heaps.
Yeah.
Let's pretty good awning to work with, so easy just to put in place. And I reckon that's pretty spot on. We don't want it much further back than that. What do you reckon, bub? Have a look at that. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay, so I'm just going to tighten these up, and I'll get the other ratchet out and torque these up later. So I'll just get that other one from the end there. Stay there. Love this. I love my Rhino tools. They're so handy. Makes life a bit easier. So as I said, I will tighten these up more. Just with a ratchet and that, just so I know they're spot on. We can pop that around now and put the rope ratchet on. Got a little bit of breeze today, so you can see the trees are moving, but that won't worry this thing. It's so strong. We'll just pop that over there, and we'll probably just use our high lift jack or something like that, and you just give her a yank. Job done. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys might get the opportunity to have one of these as well yourselves at some point if you want one. And if you're enjoying our content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on the bell and throw us a thumbs up. It helps greatly with what we're doing and trying to put out good content for you guys. Catch you next time.
Hope you didn't hear my stomach rumbling in that video, but it's lunchtime and I'm starving. Okay, have a great weekend guys. Cheers.